everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make delicious cumin flavored chicken skewers. To get started, we need 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs. I'm using thighs because they stay very tender and juicy. Cut the chicken into small cubes like this. Add the cut chicken to a bowl. Now we will mince 2 garlic cloves and add to the bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Give everything a stir until combined. Cover the chicken and put in the fridge to marinate for 1 to 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Now that our chicken is marinated, we can place them onto small skewers. 4 to 5 pieces on each, depending on how big your skewers are. Now we are ready to air fry. Spray the bottom of your air fryer with cooking spray and add the chicken skewers. Be sure not to overcrowd. Cook at 380 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. When the 10 minutes are up, flip the skewers and put them back in for another 5 to 8 minutes. I like having a little bit of a char on mine. It looks like I cooked these on the barbecue. And that's it! These are delicious and tender. There's lots of cumin flavor coming through, which is the best part. It definitely reminds me of Chinese barbecue. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.